Myself Ajay Mane. Today I am going to explain my assignment essay on the film Andaz, which was released in 1949.
मुद्दई लाख बुरा चाहे तो क्या होता है, वही होता है जो मंजूर खुदा होता है.
Andaz is a 1949 Indian Hindi language romantic drama film directed by Mehboob Khan with a music by Naushad. The film stars Dilip Kumar, Nargis and Raj Kapoor in a love triangle with a Kukku and Murad in a supporting roles. The film music was provided by Naushad and lyrics written by Majrooh Sultanpur. It is the only film to feature Dilip Kumar and Raj Kapoor together on a screen. At the time of its release, Andaz was the highest grossing Indian film ever, until its record was broken by Raj Kapoor's Barsat that same year. Andaz is a story of modern Nina, character played by Nargis, who dares to defy the norms set by society by indulging in outdoor sports instead of being domesticated and befriending a man Dilip. Much to her father's displeasure, he warns her time to time regarding the demerits of friendship between a young man and young woman and its consequences. He cautions his daughter that society plays by certain rules that are not taught in a college. If she goes against them, then society will not allow her to survive. There have been defined norms and cultural restrictions that regulate conduct of women. In traditional Indian society, even now, women's roles are limited to that of a daughter, wife, mother. Girls are supposed to be in the father custody, women in their husbands. She is not allowed to assert herself independently. Women must not cease to worship or serve their husband. Through the ideas of loyalty and obedience to the husband, Hindi cinema successfully institutionalized patriarchal values. This film is one of the classic Hindustani films where women who are portrayed as per the norms of the traditional value system of a society are shown as a woman who rewarded, while those characters who transgress the boundaries of traditionalism are punished. Structuralist film theory emphasizes on this film. This film conveys meaning through the use of codes and conventions not dissimilar to the way of languages are used to construct meaning in a communication. The simple combination of shots can create an additional idea in this film. In the whole movie, Dilip Kumar portrays as a calm, innocent, loving person. But in a single scene, his character changes. In this scene, the camera and light plays very well. The light effect play perfectly. When Nina fired bullet on a Dilip, the shadow of Dilip on her, and that shadow is get bigger. Also, while they are walking on a staircase, Nina's pallu on the hand rather than on a shoulder. All that small aesthetic created connection towards audience. On the birthday party of Nina and Rajan's child, when lights get turned off and Nina talk with the Rajan rather than Dilip and expresses his feeling, the plot change from there. It's the main climax of the film. Before that, in the film, Shrungar and Karuna Rasa on an actor's face. But later on, Bibhitsam and Raudar Rasa flow in the film. Andaz deals with the question of moral ambiguity. Nina transgressed the measures that were set for a woman and hence deserve to get punished. At the end of the movie, as the victim of a circumstances, Nina is imprisoned for life and is taken away from her loved ones. The movie illustrated the dire consequences women can face in an attempt to alter age-old Indian custom. I again say, through the ideas of loyalty and obedience to the husband, Hindi cinema successfully institutionalized patriarchal values. Thank you so much.
डरना मोहब्बत कर ले, डरना मोहब्बत कर ले, उल्फत से झोली भर ले, दुनिया दिन की जी ले चाहे मर ले हो, डरना मोहब्बत कर ले, डर